Hi there. If you're tuning into this video, chances are you and your spouse are interested in learning more about what you would need to file with the court in order to get a mutual consent divorce in Maryland. My name is Alex Meeks. I'm an attorney and the owner and founder of Acorn Law, a law firm dedicated to helping busy families get their affairs in order. So unfortunately, for some families, getting your affairs in order means getting a divorce. But luckily for us here in Maryland, if you're able to agree on the big issues, there's no need to fight it out in court because we do have this option of a mutual consent cause of action. So you and your spouse can file all the paperwork you need and have a pretty painless experience getting over the finish line to your divorce. So I'm going to just go through quickly all the paperwork that you're going to need to file with the court in order to get there. All right, first of all, you need to file a civil domestic case information report. This you can find on the court website, and it should be pretty simple to fill out. It's just going to be basic information such as name and address for you and your spouse. In addition, you're going to need to file a complaint for absolute divorce. And on the complaint, you're going to want to check that the grounds that you're seeking to have the divorce is mutual consent. This is also where you're going to want to put all the relief you're requesting, and it is important to get this right. If you have any questions, you're going to want to reach out to an attorney to help guide you through this piece because it's a pretty essential document and one that you want to make sure you've filled out correctly. If your grounds are mutual consent, your complaint is going to need to have a separation agreement attached to it. And this agreement has to address all of the essential issues that the court will need to determine in order to finalize your divorce. That's going to be property, alimony, and if you have children, legal custody or decision-making, physical custody, which is your access schedule, and child support. In addition, if child support is an issue in your case, you're going to need to attach a child support guidelines worksheet. All right. Now, those are the things you're going to need to file at the outset. And then it's important that your spouse files an answer. So one spouse files the complaint, the other spouse needs to file an answer. And once all those things are filed, the last thing that you're going to need this is not required in every county, but in many counties it is, you're going to want to file a joint request to schedule an uncontested hearing. This is a short pleading that lets the court know that you're both asking for an uncontested hearing. All right, there you have it. Those are the things you need to file in order to get your mutual consent divorce filed in the court and through the system. If you have any questions or want to talk through your mutual consent divorce, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you and I'd love to help.